Now, one other just point about menopause I want to tell you for your health, forgetting about fertility and having a baby. Uh, there, you should be on hormone replacement. Menopause is a disease, not only hot flashes, but thin bones, bones breaking, dry vagina, recurrent urinary infections. Overall, it's really bad for you. And hormone replacement corrects that so easily. And in fact, 60% of postmenopausal women were on hormone replacement before 2003. And then this terrible study came out that was totally flawed that alleged that it caused an increased risk of cancer and other health problems. Well, that's all been refuted now. We know that that study was false, but many women are still afraid to go on hormone replacement, and I would encourage you to go on hormone replacement so you don't have to suffer the health defects of menopause.